Hello everyone, my name is Gifmo Maguji and welcome to the Django course for absolute beginners. So without wasting time, let's dive right into it. So let's just look at what we are going to cover in this Django course. So first of all, we are going to learn about how to start the development environment, that is the virtual environment that will house our project. And then second, we are going to look at creating a web project in Django, and we are also going to create a web application. We are going to look at views, and we are also going to look at URLs and templates. We are also going to look at static files, how to handle static files in Django, and static files such as CSS, JavaScript, and images. We are also going to look at template inheritance, and finally we are going to create a project using Django and Python. Right, so let's just right into setting our virtual environment in Django. So I will navigate to my local disk. So I will go to users and I'll find my name here, and then I just want to create a new folder, and then I'll create a new folder and I will name it my Django projects, just like that. And then I'll find this folder, my Django projects. Okay, and then I'll open it, and then inside this I will also create another folder, and I will give it a name, website project. Right, perfect. So basically that's all you need to set your virtual environment. I will be using Pycharm. So in the next section I will open Pycharm and open this virtual environment in Pycharm, and Pycharm will automatically create our virtual environment that will house our project, and we will start to work from that virtual environment that Pycharm would have created for us. So that's perfect for now, and go on and create this virtual environment, the folders here that I've created, and see you in the next section.